In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a developer workspace in Notion. We're going to set up a clean and practical system you can use to organize your coding life in one place. If you work on apps, websites, scripts, or even just small programming tasks, having a dedicated workspace can save time and make your workflow much easier to manage. Start by opening Notion and creating a new workspace or a dedicated area for your developer setup. The goal here is to separate your coding environment from your personal notes or other projects, so everything related to development stays focused and easy to find. Keep the structure simple at first. You can always expand it later as your needs grow. Once that's ready, create a main dashboard for your coding projects. Think of this as your home base. This page should give you a quick overview of what you're working on and where everything lives. A good dashboard helps reduce friction because you won't need to dig through scattered pages every time you want to continue a task. Next, create a project database to track your apps, websites, or general coding tasks. This database is useful for keeping each project organized with its own status, priority, notes, and progress. Whether you're building something for work, freelance, or learning on your own, having all projects listed in one system makes it easier to stay on top of deadlines and next steps. After that, add a code snippet section for reusable commands or solutions. This is especially helpful for things you use repeatedly, like terminal commands, setup instructions, or quick fixes. Instead of searching old files or trying to remember exact syntax, you'll have a reliable reference ready whenever you need it. You should also use Notion code blocks to store programming notes. Code blocks make technical content easier to read because formatting stays clean and structured. This works well for examples, configuration notes, or reminders about how certain pieces of code behave. From there, create a bug log or debug journal for problems you solve. This is one of the most valuable parts of a developer workspace because it turns past frustrations into future shortcuts. When you run into the same issue again, you can check your notes instead of solving it from scratch. Then add your resources, documentation links, and learning notes in one place. This keeps tutorials, references, and important documentation centralized so your learning process becomes much more organized. Finally, review your dashboard regularly to keep your developer workflow organized. A system only stays useful if you maintain it. Update projects, clean old notes, and make sure your workspace reflects what you're actually working on. Over time, this becomes a powerful second brain for your development process.